In this video, we will be learning how to count 1 to 20 in Hausa. 1 to 20. Hi, if you're just coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't get to miss any video I publish on Hausa people, Hausa culture, and Hausa language. Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Amina. I am your Malama, your Hausa teacher. In this video, we will be learning how to count 1 to 20 in Hausa. 1 to 20. Now, one thing you should know in Hausa language is numbers 0 to 10 are almost the most important numbers in Hausa. I call them the most important numbers in Hausa. If you know your 1 to 10, then it's going to be very, very easy for you to learn all other numbers to a million, a billion, quadrillion, and all the leon we would ever come across. So, let's count. 0 is sifili, sifili, sifili. 1 is daya, daya, daya. 2 is biu, biu, biu. 3 is uku, uku, uku. 4 is hudu, hudu, hudu. 5 is biyar, biyar, biyar. 6 is shidda, shidda, shidda. 7 is bakwai, bakwai, bakwai. 8 is takwas, takwas, takwas. 9 is tara, tara, tara. 10 is goma, goma, goma. Now let's repeat 0 to 10. We have sifili, daya. Please repeat after me. Wherever you're watching from, kindly repeat after me. Sifili, daya, biu, uku, hudu, biyar, shidda, bakwai, takwas, tara, goma. Now, from 11 to 19, it's like you're saying in English, 10 plus 1. That would give you 11. 10 plus 2. That would give you 12. 10 plus 3. That would give you 13. Now, how do we say the plus from 11 to 19? From 11 to 19, the plus is sha. That's the word we use to add 10 and 1 to give us 11. We use the word sha, sha. Now, if you want to count 11 to 19, you would say goma sha daya, which is equal to 11. So 12 would be goma sha biu. 13, goma sha uku. 13, goma sha uku. 14, goma sha hudu. 15, goma sha biyar. 16, goma sha shida. 17, goma sha bakwai. 18, goma sha takwas. 19. Goma sha tara. Now, in Hausa language, it is only between 11 to 19 that we use the word sha to add the numbers. From 21 to all the numbers, all other numbers in the world, we use the word da. Now, because it is only from 11 to 19 we use sha, you can choose to remove the goma and just say sha ɗaya for 11. So we can have it as sha ɗaya, sha biyu, sha uku, sha hudu, sha biyar, sha shida, sha bakwai, sha takwas, sha tara, and then 20 is ashirin, ashirin, ashirin. Now let me know, did you learn something in this video? If you do and you want to learn other numbers in Hausa, kindly comment below. Tell me where you're watching from and tell me if you would like to continue learning the numbers in Hausa.